Today's video guides you on calibrating your battery monitor when the current display is inaccurate during use. Step 1. Press the left and set buttons at the same time. Step 2. Disconnect the meter from the battery, then reconnect it. Step 3. A symbol will appear on the display, then release both buttons. Step 4. Press and hold the right button. Step 5. Disconnect and reconnect the battery again. Step 6. When the current value starts flashing, keep holding the button. Set the discharge current like 3A. Step 7. When the value appears on the display, release the button. Step 8. Press the set button on the middle until the current stops flashing. Calibration complete.